Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to unbox my new Apple Watch Series 7. So this is the 41 what is this? 41 mm. So let's unbox this one. I actually had not the color that I like, but I like the watch. So since the watch band is what they call by this one, exchangeable, so I just get the color that is available in the store. So let's start unboxing it. This is the color that I got. I don't know what color is this. It's kind of like dirty white. So since it's the band is exchangeable, so I will just buy online. So this is the band color. So there's two of them on this one. Now let's see the watch. Charger. now all I just have to do is pair this on my phone, and let's see. So now I have the pair, so let's go to my Apple Watch and pair it. So guys, I just finished setting up my Apple Watch and it is really a fast charging watch. So I might like this one. I just have to change the band for this one because it's easy to get dirty. See, it's kind of, I don't know the color, I really don't know the color of the band, but I kind of like the red one, so, or black, so I might order that in Amazon. But this time I'll just have to use this band right now. So it's pretty nice. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.